Good morning, everyone. This is George from GettingMarketMoney.com, and this morning on September 3rd, 8:27, currently I will be trading the non-farm payrolls. I'm going to show you typically how I trade it myself, live style. Although you don't see it live, it will be recorded, but in future I will be holding live meetings of this nature. So just to have a look here, markets are, this is the figure we're anticipating, and it will come out in this box. Anything less or bigger than negative 120, I'll sell. Anything 80,000 or less, I'll buy. I'll actually put the orders now. I'm going to do limit orders to sell here and limit order to buy at 28.55. So let me just put those orders in. Just one moment here. And I'm going to do a buy limit at 28.54. 28.54, and I'll set the stop at 128.13. I'll actually do 128.5 just so we don't get wiped out here. Oh, sorry about that. I'll actually be buying a limit here. Alright, so it's 8:29. Again, the 30 minutes is a rush to get this order in. Can't believe I left it for so long. Let's put in. Sorry about this, guys. Sell stop at 128.10. There it goes. And the numbers, I think they're coming out actually. Here it goes. Didn't get executed, which is perfect. And I'm going to put a pending order to buy. Now the internet's having a bit of trouble here, but gotta learn to work through adversity. I'm sure the Forex Factor, which is a website that I use for the news release, is jammed up with users. So we got a tail. We didn't get activated. It was right at the level where we could have been activated, meaning assuming at this point if the euro is down, the US is up, the numbers are slightly better, but not enough to actually initiate a trend in its favor. Let's see if I'm right here. Help if the website would load. I'm gonna guess they came out at, or can't be guessing anymore, they're right here. And we got to buy. Now, since I didn't put an order on the breakout of the top, because I ran out of time, I'm going to do this on a reversal or on weakness. Just going to take a dip. You'll see we give it some time. Got to see the number before I execute this button here. Come on, this is no good. Let's see here what Bloomberg has going. Alright, well, this is what I was talking about. We got a whipsaw to both directions. We got 128.70. We saw 128.05. So it's very important for these news releases to actually here's the release negative 54,000. So that is positive for the US. The euro should be going up. Let's have a look here on the shorter time frame what the price action's like. Yeah, like I was saying, this is a giant whipsaw. If you put your orders too tight, such as, let's say, at this level, you would have been activated to both sides, and you don't want that to happen. The smaller time frame you get, the more exaggerated it looks. So 15 minute and 30 minutes what I watch, sometimes even an hour for the non-farm payrolls. But it doesn't seem like it's going to be a definitive trend. If you want, we could buy here because it is better than expected. So you would actually be selling the euro, buying the US. However, I don't see this turning into a sustained rally or sell-off. It just looks like the market here is not picking up. But if you look at the futures, let's see how bids and asks are looking on S&P 500. See, the bid is 110.53 to 110.54, so we're gonna get a positive open here as of now, unless or in the next hour there is some development, which I don't think will take place, and the price action is back within the original release time confinement, which is 128.53 and 128.40. And pinching in from here, you're not going to get as high volatility breakouts. So if you wanted to, you could put a buy limit and sell stop here, ranges to get in on price movement. So put in an order to buy at 28.55 and in order to sell at 128.05, as I mentioned, so even less. Where my order is still there, you can see it. That's how I would play it. Other than that, looks like it didn't create much of a movement. Although the numbers are a lot better than expected. Negative 54. Let me just take you to see the futures for the market open on Bloomberg. So here we are. Click futures. And strangely enough, the futures point to a flat open, while the ETF bid and asks point to a positive open, which does happen, especially because the ETF is a derivative vehicle. Let's see what we have developing. It seems like traders are intent on selling off the euro. We got good news. Or sorry, selling off the USD. We got good news, and the euro still rallying, which, you know, sometimes it is a self-fulfilling prophecy. But I'm going to say at this point, it's a no-go on non-farm payrolls. Didn't get a trade, didn't make money. However, we got to watch one. I'm going to post this video as soon as I finish recording it, and hopefully you learned something here about non-farm payrolls and the volatility. Just to recap, whipsaw. This is what you see. Whipsaw to the top and the bottom of the recent range, and that's what presents the risk, and that's the danger of trading the payrolls. Alright guys, have a good trading day, and I'll talk to you during the weekend or next week. Make that money. This is George from GettingMarketMoney.com. Take care.